Welcome to Dr. S.N.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Warm greetings from S.N.S. family. This is Dr. J. Vijayalakshmi, Department of Commerce with Computer Application. In this video, I'm going to explain about treatment of goodwill on admission of partners. So let us see what is the goodwill first and how it is treated. So goodwill is an unstable asset that helps we can say it in other words intangible that helps the firm to earn the higher profit than the average or normal profit. In short, the purchase of one company from another over its actual net worth is known as goodwill. The treatment of the goodwill is the portion of the purchase price, and that is higher than the total of the all assets fair value, that is purchased in the liabilities. And the goodwill relates to the value of the brand name of the company. Though the customer is based on the company, the good relationships of the customer with the employer, good relationship with the company, and the technology, and the few reasons for the goodwill existence. Now, in this video, we are going to see about how to calculate the goodwill admission of the partners. The treatment of the goodwill is the cash flow statement, and it is applied to calculate goodwill, and it is challenging parties. So, goodwill is as for us having one formula: P minus A, A minus L. Nothing but P is purchase price of the target company. Next, A is nothing but the value of market value assets. L is nothing but value of the liability of the fair market. So this is how we are going to calculate by applying the formula. So what is the nature of affect the goodwill? So the product quality, management efficiency, nature of the business. So these are the certain natures and how the goodwill is to be uh, familiar, and how it can be increased. So based on the location, market condition, supply actions, more capital, more chance of goodwill. So now in this video, we are going to see about the treatment of the goodwill. So the treatment of the goodwill is the portion of the purchase price that is higher than the total of all assets fair value, that is purchased in the liability and acquisitions. So when the partners profit sharing ratio PSR is changed, the goodwill will rise. So when a new partner is being admitted, so in this case, goodwill will get changed. In the time of the retirement or death of the partner, at that time when the whole business is sold. So, in all these cases, the adjustment of goodwill is required, and the valuation of goodwill will be done by choosing the below methods. We'll see now. So, while we are calculating the different methods of calculating the goodwill, it is based on the nature of the business, like super profit method, average profit method, and capitalization method. So basically, we'll treat these three methods by calculating the goodwill. So, what is premium method and the revaluation method? So like method of treatments. So the premium method is the treatment of the goodwill in cash flow statement. Revaluation, this method is used when the new partner decided not to bring the share of the goodwill increase in cash. In this case, the goodwill account in the book can be raised by debiting or debiting a goodwill account and crediting to the old partner capital account in the old profit sharing ratio. So, this is a small intro about how the goodwill is treated calculating the admission of the partner in the partnership firm. Thank you.